How to add countdown timer in PowerPoint. There are a few ways to add a countdown timer in PowerPoint. One way is to use the Shapes tool to create a rectangle. Then, format the rectangle to look like a timer, using a fill color and border color of your choice. Finally, add text to the rectangle that indicates the amount of time remaining in the countdown. Another way to add a countdown timer in PowerPoint is to use a timer add-in. There are a number of timer add-ins available, both free and paid. Once you have installed a timer add-in, you can insert a timer on any slide in your presentation. The timer will then start counting down automatically. Here are the steps on how to add a countdown timer in PowerPoint using the Shapes tool. 1. Open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the timer. 2. Click on the Insert tab and then click on the Shapes button. 3. In the Shapes gallery, click on the rectangle shape. 4. Draw a rectangle on the slide. 5. Click on the Format tab and then click on the Shape Fill button. 6. In the Shape Fill gallery, select a fill color for the rectangle. 7. Click on the Shape Outline button and then click on a border color for the rectangle. 8. Click on the Text Box button and then draw a text box on the rectangle. 9. Type the amount of time you want to count down in the text box. 10. Format the text box to match the style of the rectangle. Here are the steps on how to add a countdown timer in PowerPoint using a timer add-in. 1. Open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the timer. 2. Click on the Insert tab and then click on the Add-ins button. 3. In the Add-ins dialog box, click on the COM Add-ins tab. 4. In the Manage list, select COM Add-ins and then click on the Go button. 5. In the COM Add-ins dialog box, select the timer add-in that you want to use and then click on the OK button. 6. The timer add-in will be installed and will be available in the Insert tab. 7. Click on the Insert tab and then click on the Timer button. 8. In the Timer dialog box, select the options that you want to use and then click on the OK button. 9. The timer will be inserted on the slide. I hope this helps.